I'm not gonna lie, there's a funny sound coming from my mom's room. And I'm at her house sleeping over because I love her and I'm a good daughter. And it sounds like a vibrator, but she wants me to go in and go to bed. So that funny sound is scary. So let's go to let's go to bed. Oh my god. Hi, Minnie. Hi, baby. What the heck are you doing? Oh.
What?
You're pedicuring your feet?
What?
You're doing your feet?
It only takes a second.
What?
It only takes a second.
You know that sounds wrong, right?
What?
You know that doesn't sound good when you want me to come to bed.
No, it doesn't.
You're
Okay,
not.
guess what Mom's doing?
Oh, Lord.
And then I'll stick my feet up.
I mean, no, Mom, I'm not recording you.
No, I don't want my face shown, just my feet.
You have pretty feet, Mom. That's pretty. I'm really relieved that that's a pedicure file, though. It's just electric. Okay.